Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. A wicker bill can be an easy way to change the look of your Camaro without having to go through the process of replacing your rear spoiler. With each wicker bill from ZL1 Addons, you'll get the main wicker piece that is made out of 3/16 thick black Lexan and a tinted centerpiece that will still give you full functionality out of your rear view window. And also included is all the hardware necessary to get the kit installed. All the ZL1 Addons wicker bills that we offer are very similar when it comes to looks and installation. The polished edge we have here with us today has a smooth edge without any imperfections. The standard edge will have a bit of a machined look to the edge of it. Now for installation today, I do have this 2019 Turbo 4 behind me with the factory spoiler. A couple simple tools that we're going to need for installation today are going to be a riv nut tool, a 3/8 drill bit, a 4mm Allen for the hardware, and I'm going to recommend some painter's tape so that way we don't damage anything on the factory paint. We're going to start by taping off the factory spoiler to prevent any scratches while we drill the holes. With the tape applied, we can take the main section of our wicker bill, line it up as best as possible with the center line of the factory spoiler. Then we can mark 2 holes with the wicker bill that will be drilled to install the riv nuts. With the 2 holes drilled, we can pull back the tape and install the riv nuts using our riv nut tool. Using the 2 installed riv nuts, we can mount the main section of the wicker and bolt it down where we want it. We will use this as our guide to mark the holes to be drilled for the other riv nuts. Then we can drill the other holes and mount the riv nuts in place. Now that we have the rest of the riv nuts installed, we can mount the main wicker piece to the outer mounting points, and then we can install the clear section using the supplied hardware. Once all the bolts are in place, we can tighten down our hardware. There you go guys, a simple wicker bill installation, and it completely changes the back half of the Camaro. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.